Welcome to lesson 5. This is going to cover models with accessories preset. So we just kind of took a little dive into presets. We're going to go ahead and create one real quick. So this DeWalt 20 volt impact driver that we created earlier, we're going to change this from a serialized model to a serialized model with accessories. So we're just going to hit edit, item, and we're going to change the preset to serialized model with accessories and hit update. Now what we can do is we can go to contents, and the contents tab is going to hold all the items that need to go with this product. So what we need with it is we need a battery. So if we search for the battery, we have it here, the 20 volt max battery. We're just going to drag that over into the contents, and we say that we need one battery to go with this drill. And then now it's here, 20 volt max battery, manufactured by DeWalt, and we need one. So every single time we drag this impact driver onto a quote or to a pull sheet, it's going to automatically associate that battery with it to ensure that we get all the products that we need. This applies to drills, it applies to moving lights, it applies to so many different things. It works the exact same way with a non-serialized package. In this example, we looked at a serialized package, but it works the exact same way in a non-serialized package. You just go to contents and you drag over what you need, as many items as you want, and then you just hit update and you're good to go. So this was my lesson on serialized model with accessories preset.